Management involves decision-making, coordination, communication, and problem-solving. It encompasses various tasks such as budgeting, staffing, setting objectives, and evaluating performance. Effective management leads to increased productivity, improved teamwork, and better employee satisfaction. Planning involves setting priorities and creating a roadmap. Organizing involves allocating resources and setting up structures. Leading involves motivating and guiding employees towards the objectives. Controlling involves evaluating performance and taking corrective action. Autocratic management involves control and decision-making by the manager. Democratic management involves participation and input from employees. Laissez-faire management involves minimal direction from the manager, allowing employees to make decisions independently. It helps to maximize efficiency, minimize waste, and achieve objectives. Good management fosters a positive work environment and improves employee satisfaction. It also enables organizations to adapt to changes in the business environment and stay competitive.